Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make fishbone soup. To begin, gather your freshest fish bones, heads, and trimmings. These parts are essential for a deeply flavorful broth. Also, prepare your aromatic vegetables such as ginger, green onions, and garlic. Make sure you have a large, sturdy pot and plenty of clean, cold water ready for the simmering process. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly delicious soup. Next, it is crucial to prepare your fish bones properly. Rinse them thoroughly under cold running water to remove any blood or impurities. Then, pat them completely dry using paper towels. This step is vital for good searing. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Sear the fish bones for a few minutes until they are lightly browned, which develops a richer flavor. Now, transfer the seared fish bones and your prepared aromatics into a large pot. Add about 8 cups of cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Throughout the simmering process, use a ladle or spoon to carefully skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. Allow the soup to simmer gently for at least 45 minutes, or even up to 1 hour, to fully extract all the wonderful flavors from the bones. Once simmering is complete, carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl, discarding all solids. Finally, season your clear, flavorful fish bone broth with a pinch of salt and white pepper to taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.